All right, we're back with another episode, and here we have Marvel Legends Venom. We're gonna be unpackaging him. Let's take a gander at the back of the box. There you see Venom. Eddie Brock takes vengeance on his skeptics as the all-consuming, spine-chilling symbiote Venom. Oh, that looks pretty cool. Box is a little damaged. Good thing I'm not intending to leave this inside the package, because this package is quite weathered thanks to Amazon. Alright, let's just get into it. Open it real quickly. It's got that nice logo right there. Anyway, let's take a look at the figure. His back is separated because he couldn't fit in there, you see. That's how thick he was. Let's take his back out first. Get him out of there. Alright. Pretty huge Venom we got there. Let's snap on his back. Hopefully it shouldn't be too hard. And there he is. Venom. Who can stop the Venom? He looks huge. Can War Machine stop the Venom? Nope. Can this lady stop the Venom? Nope. Can this gentleman over here? Get the hell out of here. The Thing. He might give the Venom a fight. The Thing. Let's compare him to the Thing. Come on, stand up. Stand up. Now let's compare him to the Hulk. The Hulk is like Venom who? Who's this Venom everybody's talking about? Uh-oh. Face to face. With a special guest referee. The Thing. This is a pretty cool figure of Venom. Look at that. Look at the mouth. The nails. The feet. This is pretty badass Venom. I give this Venom 4.5 stars. Look at that. 4.5 stars for Venom. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit the notification button.